Okay, you can see bifolding door, two panels, uh, laying on the horses, and during sanding, it's very easy, and it's the varnish and stain coming out very easily thanks of this uh, tool, this pad for sanding the drywall. When you're sanding the stained and varnished door, you can see it's gonna change the color very quickly. When you're sanding this, the effect coming pretty quickly, and you can see sanded area changing the color. It's not shiny anymore, it's getting matte, like here. All doors have to be sanded that way. It's a little bit time consuming, but if you have a little bit patience and you wanna do good job, uh, you can make it very easy by yourself. And you can see the difference when it's covered by the dust, and you can see the difference in the how the panel change the color. All these sanded areas, like here, and for me, it's very relaxing job. I like to do that. I like to do this type of the projects to refresh all the doors, make the new look on the doors, and remember all metal parts like the door knobs, metal brackets, they have to be removed for the sanding. It's gonna make your work easier than trying to working around this. So two sets of the door, and it's gonna be tonight. I'm gonna sand all of them. I'm gonna prepare them, and tomorrow we're gonna paint this by the primer and by the paint. In the next videos, tomorrow, you're gonna see how it go.